За workshop маань бол шууд ер нь гудамж руугаа гарсан workshop хийсэн. Тэгээ максимаас дагуулж яваад 2 баг болоод ер нь хотоор болж явсан байна. Гэхдээ манай хүн бас манай зурагчдад лайкаг ашиглуулжтэй хамтдаа явсан. Хотоор яваад ер нь яаж зураг авч юм өөрөө бас яаж авч байгааг харуулсан гэж би ойлгож байгаа. Хотоо ингээд явахд бол нөгөө зургаад бодно, өөрийн бодлого. Хэрвээ ингээд дараад юм уу хатуцсан юм уу ингээд явахад зураг руугаа хаш чадахгүй юм.
That's for sure. No, just oops, it's hidden. Small magnet.
Соромжтой. Тэгээд бураачдаг гэсэн.
I saw. And I'll shoot it an open diaphragm like 2 and 2.8. Okay?
2.28 дээр ер нь нээж л авч байгаа.
Just picture that should be fun. I will try to shoot. Webb, Norris Webb for sure, Alan Shale for sure. He is a film enthusiast and he developed plugin for Photoshop and Lightroom.
Okay, preset.
Preset, yeah.
Preset. яагаад тийм биш үү?
Яаж?
Энэ улаан тэмдэхгүй гэдэг юм байна.
Манайхаар мөн.
Тэгээ шууд боолтой.
Espresso. You. Cheers for photography. Root of coffee. That's the best espresso in the city. Some views. How to communicate with
Yes.
people. Sometimes it's very, very easy. Sometimes it's not easy. But you know, photography it's always about communication. And you will be successful photographer if you can communicate with people. You should be friendly, smile. You should be like a bit of idiotic because no one wants to beat idiot, you know. And yeah, that's
Wow.
that's true. And yeah, just come to people with an interesting faces or interesting wearing, you know. And I ask them, you know, I'm waiting for you 3 days. I just need your portrait, you know. And when you ask, just say, I'm awaiting for you 3 days, and the people, wow. And you know, you can do with him what you want.
Improvise.
Yeah, improvise.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Yes.
But you are in the public place. He is in the public place. You are in the public place. You talk with him. What about? It's nothing. You just take pictures and publish it. But you can't use it in commercial purposes.
Can't say.
Yeah, that's it. So, what way we have to go? You know. Okay.